Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and thanks to everybody over the weekend who subscribed to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I'll be doing a next portfolio update on Wednesday. We kind of like to do a midweek and then we do a weekend to show how the whole week went on the portfolio. So thanks for joining along. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and following along. What I'm trying to do is build a Wealthsimple trade portfolio up into $100,000, just making small deposits along the way. And that brings me to this video. So in the portfolio, we'll jump into this in a second. I've been wanting to diversify a little bit from our stock portfolio. So I just did a new purchase today, made a small deposit, $200 added to the account, and purchased Telus stock. So let's just jump in the portfolio. We'll go over Telus, what it actually is, and show you the stocks that I bought today. All right, so we'll do an update to the whole portfolio on Wednesday, but I just wanted to show that I have purchased. What I did today is deposited $200 into my TFSA and purchased from that 7 shares of Telus stock. Now, if you're familiar with Canadian stocks and the communication sector, I'm trying to diversify my portfolio a little bit. I do own, there are some communication stocks in the VDY, which is the Vanguard, the Dividend ETF I have, but that's more heavily weighted in bank and financial. So I wanted to kind of diversify the portfolio a little bit. And the stock that I've chosen to start with is Telus. There's Telus, and then there's BCE, and then there's also Rogers Communications. Between those three, it's basically 90% of the telecommunications in Canada. So you can't necessarily go wrong with any of them. The reason going into Telus I decided to do is, number one, the share price is the lowest of the three, but they also do have regular quarterly dividends, and their dividends have been increasing for the past 10 years. So it's a fairly stable dividend growth stock that we can purchase. So I think this, over the long term, the dividends will continue, so we will slowly start to build our position in Telus as well. So currently right now it is trading at $27.51. It's up 1 cent on the day, so I believe actually the portfolio is probably up a little bit because we purchased seven shares at $27.50. So if you're looking for a stock and to diversify your portfolio, maybe take a look at Telus. It does trade under the symbol T, pretty straightforward, T.TO. It's on the TSX Stock Exchange. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see how this Telus stock carries on. It does pay quarterly dividends. We've just missed the date for receiving our dividend in July, but the next one will be coming in after the summer in September. So by then our position should have grown up a little bit. I think right now it's the yield on that is about 4.6%. So they were quarterly, you're making about 31 cents per share. So there's going to be some nice, good dividends if they continue on for Telus. So we'll start to build up our portfolio of Telus stock slowly. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget, on Wednesday we'll do the portfolio update for the whole channel. We'll see how the TFSA portfolio is growing up into, see how far we are along in our journey up into $100,000 in our Wealthsimple TFSA portfolio. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.